morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to start with the new topic of GK. Children, before starting, can you tell me what is the name of our country? Yes, very good. India. Right, children? So, today we are going to learn about lesson number 29, My Country. The name of our country is India. It is also called Hindustan and Bharat. The people who live in India are called Indians. Children, how many colors are there in Indian flag? Tell me, children. Yes, very good. Our country, India, has a tricolored flag. Saffron, green and white. Children, there is a navy blue chakra with 24 spokes in the center of the flag, also known as Ashok Chakra. The 24 spokes represent 24 hours of the day. We respect for our country by saluting the flag. The flag of India is rectangular in shape. It has 3 colors where each color on the flag has a meaning. The top saffron color shows strength and courage. The white middle color shows peace and truth. The green color shows fertility and growth. Children, tell me which is our national anthem of India? Come on, children. Yes, very good. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. We stand and sing it to respect our nation. It is written by the great poet Rabindranath Tagore. Children, do you know which is our national song? Vande Mataram is the national song of our country. It is written in Sanskrit language. The song is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in the year 1870. Children, the national song Vande Mataram has been translated into multi-languages, namely Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, Marathi, Gujarati, etc. Children, do you know which is our national animal? Yes, you're correct. The tiger is our national animal. Tiger is the biggest wild animal in cat family. It is found in orange color with black strips on it. This is because a tiger has grace and strength just like India. Children, now I am going to ask you one simple question. Which is our national bird? Yes, peacock is the national bird of India. Peacock is one of the most beautiful creatures of the earth. This is because a peacock has pride, beauty, and royalty just like India. Children, India is a famous country all over the world. It got independence on 15th of August 1947. Our India is a beautiful country. So children, have you enjoyed the lesson? Do studies. Have a good day. Take care. Hello and good morning children. I wish you a blessed day full of love. Children, in previous lesson we have learned about my country. Right children? So today we are going to learn about lesson number 30, Indian festivals. Children, India is a land of festivals. Every year, India celebrates hundreds of festivals across different religions. Some Indian festivals are Holi, Diwali, Dasera, Mahashivratri, Durga Puja, Raksha Bandhan, Eid, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Christmas, etc. Children, which festival is known as the Festival of Colors? Come on, tell me children. Yes, you're correct. Holi is the festival of colors. It is celebrated in the month of March every year. People wear white colored clothes on the day of Holi. Children, how do you celebrate Holi? Yes, on Holi, friends and family members gather and play with water and colors. Right, children? Children, how do we celebrate Eid? Yes, Eid is celebrated on the last day of the fasting month of Ramadan. On Eid, we wish everyone Eid Mubarak and eat delicious sweet sevai and distribute sweets to their neighbors and relatives. Children, which festival we celebrate that shows Rama's victory over Ravana? Dasera is the festival of India. Right, children? On this day, we celebrate God Rama's victory over the evil king Ravana. Dasera also shows the end of 9 days of Navratri festival. Dasera is the traditional festival. We wish Happy Dasera to each other and eat sweet. Children, do you know why we celebrate Christmas? On this day, we celebrate Jesus Christ's birthday. It is on 25th December. People worship Jesus Christ as the Son of God and respect Him. On Christmas, Santa Claus gives chocolates and gifts to all children. Children, which festival is known as Festival of Light? Yes, very good. Deepavali is a festival of lights. Deepavali is one of the most famous and the biggest festival of India. This festival is celebrated in the memory of Lord Rama. Children, what do you do on Deepavali? Yes, on Deepavali we lights small diyas, that is oil lamps, and place them around the home. We draw rangolis too. Right, children? We celebrate Deepavali with crackers and sweets. Children, why do we celebrate Baisakhi? Baisakhi is the festival of Punjabi. It is a harvest festival. Baisakhi is one of the most important dates in the Sikh calendar, as it is celebrated as the Sikh New Year. On this day, we visit the Gurudwara. Children, India has many festivals to celebrate. People in small villages or big cities all celebrate festival with full of energy. So children, have you enjoyed the lesson? Do studies. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.